Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. Also, keep in mind that this is based on my personal experience using Yahoo advertising. Yahoo advertising, found at https://advertising.yahoo.com, offers a comprehensive suite of tools and resources for businesses looking to expand their reach and connect with potential customers online. This platform empowers advertisers to create targeted campaigns across various formats, including search ads, display ads, and native advertising, ensuring maximum visibility and engagement. With its robust targeting capabilities, Yahoo advertising allows you to pinpoint specific demographics, interests, and online behaviors, enabling you to reach the right audience with precision. This focus on precision targeting helps to optimize ad spend and drive better results. You can closely monitor the performance of your campaigns with detailed analytics and reporting, providing valuable insights into what's working and what needs adjustment. Furthermore, Yahoo advertising provides access to a wealth of educational resources and support to help you navigate the platform effectively and maximize your return on investment. They offer various guides, tutorials, and best practices to ensure you get the most out of your advertising endeavors. Whether you're a small business just starting out or a large enterprise seeking to scale your marketing efforts, Yahoo advertising offers a flexible and scalable solution to meet your unique needs. The platform is designed to be user-friendly, even for those new to online advertising, while offering advanced features for seasoned marketers. Finally, consider exploring the various advertising formats available within Yahoo advertising. Experimenting with different ad types can help you discover what resonates best with your target audience and drives optimal results. So, dive in and explore the potential of Yahoo advertising to boost your brand visibility and achieve your marketing objectives.